We're making a documentary how to get a sampalok. Sampalok is from the Philippines, and you can see here Rene is trying to hunt some. How do you call this? Sampalok. Sampalok. Sampalok is what, Rene?
Pampa.
Pampa what? What's pampa? What? Come on. What can you say about the sampalok, sir?
Sampalok is very sweet.
Very sweet. You, Rene.
Very sweet.
You're frowning, Rene. How sweet? How sweet it is?
Pare ko ano mo niyan ka?
Huh?
You patol. Pare ko mag.
You.
Oh.
Is that sampalok nice?
Nice, so very nice. Sorry. Cut. Take two.
Take two, Rene. You stumbled. Huh?
Due to very very sorry.
Very sorry. Very sour. Hey, Rene. Hey, Rene. How are you going, Rene? How are you going? Don't be shy. Come on.
Pare ko iwag.
Pare ko parang normal activity ginagawa natin.
Sige.
Yung parang amateur video lang, tapos biglang may unexpected na event.
Unexpected event.
Diba?
Ito.
So you
Unexpected yan.
Oh, you hold the camera, Rene.
Sige, sir.
Then,
Ito na ba pare ko?
this camera, I will go to Sanglahan.
Hey, Jopat, we're going.
Hey, Jopat.
It's not Asian Hospital, huh? Sir, this is your runs. Huh? Hey.
Hey, Jopat, hey. What can you say about...
Son, where? Yeah? Oh, this is Maguindanao.
This is Maguindanao.
Huh? Sige nga. Tara. Let's go. Hey, what place is this, huh?
This is a
Maguindanao?
very suspicious guys.
Where? Oh, suspicious number 1. Suspicious number 2. Uy, pare ko. Uy, tama na to.
Tingnan natin. Malay mo, pwede tayo makaupo doon, tapos kain-kain lang.
Makaupo ba? Oo nga.
Diyan na sa taas, kakain lang. Tapos sa
Sige.
uli,
So,
This is the owner, huh?
That's the owner
Just see and believe.
of
Pare ko.
television.
Ilang minutes ba yan?
Nelson.
Ilang minutes ba yan?
No, I don't have any comment regarding that matter.
That's an evidence, huh?